Hello once again, everybody. It's 11:11 and 38 seconds now on October 17th. This is the main drawing for the Captain America 76 slab. Over here on the left are the 44 filled spots. All right. We're going to roll the 3 dice. Number is 10. Name at the top of the list at the end of the 10th roll will win the book. I will do my best to get it out in today's mail. In worst case, it will ship out on the 18th. Best of luck, everybody. Oh, one last thing. A lot of international people participating in this. Should an international person win, I will contact you with regards to the shipping cost. Again, that was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and here comes the final one. 10. Will Lehman won his spot in the final mini. Congratulations, spot 33. Time is 11:12 and 4.